Hi, I'm Marissa Kiesler, Product Manager at Halco Lighting Technologies, and I'm excited to show you the new Pro LED Select Downlight Series. This product offers the ultimate flexibility to choose the desired look and feel of lighting throughout your entire application. Combine this with a simple install, and you have the perfect product to retrofit your space with a modern, efficient, and high-performing LED downlight. Product features a high-grade polycarbonate housing with a baffle trim, which really adds depth to the fixture and reduces glare. The frosted lens eliminates hot spots and helps to disperse the light accurately across the 100-degree beam angle. The Pro LED Select Downlight features an efficacy of 85 lumens per watt and 90+ CRI, which makes it one of the best performing downlights in the market to date. What truly sets this fixture apart from its competition is the CCT selectability. You have the option of selecting between 5 color temperatures: 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, and 5000K. This has allowed us to offer our customers 15 different product options in just 3 SKUs. The Pro LED Downlight Series is a wet location rated, IC rated, and ENERGY STAR listed Title 24 and JA8 compliant.